Hello! Today I'm unboxing with Weekend Travel Set with SnowRabbitMother and editing it to my Sylvanian Easter decorated street. You can see my Easter street setup by clicking on the link in the pinned comment. So this set comes with Emilia with SnowRabbitMother and lots of travel accessories such as suitcase, hat, camera, bag, neck pillow, umbrella, and some other things. On this side it says a bit about her. Emilia loves to travel. When you travel, you get to meet new people and try yummy new foods. Emilia has a big suitcase where she packs everything she needs to have a wonderful trip. Today she's staying with the Sylvanian family so she can spend time with your friend. Yardley, the Sylvanian mother. Yardley opened the door as soon as Emilia arrived. She must have heard Emilia's suitcase rolling along. And what's on the back? We can see that the suitcase has wheels spinning and the handle extends, and it can also be opened and put things for travel. In addition, some things are suggested to be put in a handbag. The rest of the pictures are visible bed because of the stickers from the shop where I bought this set. Shown on the side is everything included in this set. I hardly pulled out the contents of the box. When I opened it, everything literally fell down. And I really love the inside. It's pink with suitcases and ribbons on. It's so pretty. And first of all, I pull out the figurine of the SnowRabbitMother, and then her cardigan, her pink suitcase, her hat, her blue bag, So with all that was included in our set, let's put a cardigan on Rabbit Mother. And just wow, she looks so gorgeous in it. Let's look at her from all angles. Next we have a yellow lunchbox and two rabbit hat-shaped waffles. I think it's especially cool on the eve of Easter, so with a kind of rabbit set, and rabbit is a symbol of Easter. Then there is a thermos which consists of two parts. The lower one is a blue cup and the upper one is a yellow glass. It's perfect to take on the road. Then we have a blue neck pillow with bear face. On the other side it's just a blue pillow. And now let's try it. This is also a very useful thing for traveling, so that the neck doesn't get numb while sleeping in a sitting position. Next we have a beige braided hat with a red ribbon. It fits her very well and goes great with the red bow on her dress. In addition, the set included a very well detailed pink suitcase. There are a lot of different belts and buckles, and even the corners look specially protected from damage. The suitcase has a retractable handle for easy portability. It also has wheels, so you don't have to carry the suitcase in your hands. You can just roll it on the ground. Now I'll show you the handbag closer. It has a beige bottom and the main part is blue. A red flower keychain hangs on the handle. Let's put a thermos in the bag and a book. Also have a yellow toothbrush with a flower on the end. And the next thing we have is a blue wristwatch. They fit very well on her wrist. And then the yellow bottle of perfume, I think. Look at the wonderful pink camera with a silver lens. On the other side there's a pink screen and some buttons, just like in real cameras. Thanks to the pink lace, this camera can be worn around the neck. I put a camera on Rabbit Mother and with a lovely pink umbrella with white handle and white ribbon and bow on it. And now it's time to look at the pink suitcase inside. Well, there's a pocket with a flower and some more belts, like on the outside. Let's put the lunchbox and the perfume inside our suitcase and try to close it like this. In conclusion, I want to say that this set fits perfectly into the Sylvanian street decorated for Easter. Perhaps Mother Rabbit has just arrived here and is waiting for her daughters to come from church. Well, please support my channel by liking the video and subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.